Marie Curie is a famous scientist, and the whole world is thankful to her for the contribution that she has made to science. This video lesson will look into the life of Marie Curie through some photographs. Marie Curie was born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, Poland. She was called Mania by her parents. During her childhood, she had to face three tragedies. Two are personal and the next one is social. She lost her sister to typhus when she was 8 years old. Her mother died less than 3 years after that. The rulers of Russia ill-treated the people of Poland. Marie Curie had a good memory. Her father used to read classics to her. Since her father was a scientist, the children were exposed to science right from the childhood. Mania used to always come first in her class, and she has won gold medals and trophies. Since women were not allowed to join the university because of the influence of Russia, she decided to join an illegal school known as Flying University or Floating University. She also took up a job of a tutor for young children to support her family, and a sister who was also studying. Her sister became a doctor and she shifted to Paris. Mania also followed her. She worked very hard in the University of Paris. She changed her name to Marie. Marie Curie started working in the Lippmann's research laboratory. This is where she met her husband, Pierre. They got married on July 25, 1895, and together they were known as the Curies. The Curies worked together on uranium and they discovered radioactivity. They also discovered the new element known as polonium, which Marie Curie named after her country, Poland. They were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1903. The birth of her two daughters, Irene and Eva, in 1897 and 1904 did not stop Marie from doing her scientific work. She taught science based on experimental demonstration. Pierre Curie was offered the post of the director of the physics lab at the University of Sorbonne, but he was killed in an accident on April 19, 1906. The post of the director was offered to Marie Curie, and she became the first woman to become the director of a research lab. Marie continued to work in the lab even after the death of her husband. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in the year 1911 for the discovery of pure radium. She discovered that radiation could kill healthy human cells. It could also kill diseased human cells. She used radium for killing tumors. She established the Radium Institute at the University of Paris. Marie Curie created the X-ray machine during World War I with the help of her daughter. She also designed the first mobile X-ray machine. She traveled far and wide with this machine. She died because of the exposure to the radium. The condition she suffered from is known as aplastic anemia.